So hi guys, when it comes to burgers, you're gonna trust, I'm gonna trust a Kano or an American to make me a good, piece of hamburger. Yes, an American, a Kano. And today I'm gonna try out a burger made by a Kano. And he's really naming it Kano Burger. And let's try, and see how different it is from, the local burgers that we try. So, in a bit, the Kano Burger will arrive and we're gonna eat it. Diba? So, watch this video guys to learn more about Kano Burger and, and know how to enjoy it as well. Finally, it's here guys. It's Kano Burger. American burgers, Filipino love. So let's see what's in there. Let's unbox guys. Smells so good. This is I think the fries. And we have 2 burgers here. So ato sa ni-assemble and take a photo. Ano ni atong burger. This is the basic Kano classic. So this is a classic cheeseburger. Ilang style is they smash the patty. That's the smash burger. Smash more style gina nila. It's a smash burger. So you basically smash it. You press it with a spatula or bacon press para more contact. The meat will have more contact to the heat. So mag-Maillard reaction na. So resulting to a juicier, flavorful burgers. And then we have 2 variants here, but they have more nas na mga line klase. And we're gonna try out their classic, which is basically kaning sa may topping sa classics. It's a special sauce, tomato, pickles, lettuce. Then we have this one, the Texas. We have bacon, guys, cheese, and caramelized onions, and then their fries. So excited na kay kumukaon guys. So of course, and lindot kita na lang buns ba yun? Lang buns. So these burgers are just priced at 100 kapin. So not bad. I mean, I like their pricing. And dagko ang burger. So now it's time to eat. Yeah, juicy and fatty. Good ratios of meat ug ang bread. And yeah, price wise, 110, 130. For me, di na ka makansi anak. Perfect na yung nakay. Hindi Coke or milkshake. Fighter kayo. This time guys, ato ng tilawan ang ilang Texas. The Texas Kano Burger. So Kano kayo, Texas, na pa Oklahoma. So these are, if you're the meat lover, money mo orderon kasi there's bacon, pickles, like pickles gapon. Power kayo na yung mga bacon bits, cheese, caramelized onion. So this is sweeter, and the caramelized onion is quite sweet, but beefier. Ang nindot to sa crunch niya sa bacon. Then of course kanilang mga seeds dire. Power. Power kayo, and all I can say is bagay siya with the price. Quite good. Mana, na-impress ko kay, Kano Burgers with Filipino love. So at least another option sa mga burger lovers out there. We have really a really good burger here, priced so well, with some attention to detail. Good. Look at the buns. You can look lahi ra gid ilang buns. The patty na gid siya mga sud ba na cheese with the veggies. It's like the tomatoes, the pickles, and their sauce. Sulit for me, sulit kay siya. And of course, you gotta pay the delivery fee. Although, yeah, medyo nanis basak mandawe, by the way. So, yun na, mag-issue lang kung may delivery fee kay medyo kuan. But, yeah, when it comes to taste lang, size, and of course, ang iyang mga taste, size, yun, yung value for money, it checks all the boxes by nindot kayong ang kuan niya. Kuan kay siya, sulit siya. And it's something that you have to try. It's worth trying. Kung malamian ba ka ano, di, let me know. Dapat niyo masuwayan. And all the details on how to buy Kano Burger is on the description, guys. So, na-link niya on how to order. And mana, tinabangay yun ta. Ako, magtiwas akong kaon. And, I'm so happy that slowly we're opening up. By the way, opening siya 2020. So one of those businesses na that opened during the quarantine period. And it's quite surprising that we have so much choices during that time. And muna, nasa tayo bagong choice of burgers. Na dapat niyong suwayan. Easy to remember. Ang name, Kano Burger. Mana. And thank you so much for watching. Let's keep on supporting our local businesses, mga small businesses. Let them thrive, guys. And of course, di bang yung kampuan mukaon mangyud ka. Why not try out the different variety that's available karon sa market, di ba? Daghan yun kaayo. And I think I haven't discovered everything. So if you have a discovery na ganani mo matilawan ako, let me know by commenting it. Unsay dapat nako tilawan next, ba? And thank you so much for supporting me, watching my videos, liking my photos, and I hope to see you sa pohon sa itong mga next food adventures o mga suroy-suroy. Bye!